A company can generate millions of dollars in wealth one afternoon and collapse into total bankruptcy the next. Think about a local pizzeria. If they sell 1,000 pizzas today on credit, but haven't actually collected a single dollar from those customers yet, are they rich or are they broke? Money becomes a flawed metric if every business owner counts it using their own subjective rules and timelines. Without a shared set of rules, investors cannot accurately compare a tech startup to a shoe store, nor can they compare a single company's past performance to its present. To solve this, humanity built generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. It functions as a 500-year-old operating system designed to strip away human bias and force a business to reveal its objective reality. The first protocol is the business entity concept. If a coffee shop owner buys a sports car for themselves, that purchase never touches the shop's financial records. The system acts as a firewall. It treats the owner and business as distinct life forms, preventing personal spending from infecting business data. Then comes the system's strict language filter, the money measurement concept. Within this framework, a brilliant manager or a stellar brand reputation do not actually exist. If a value or event cannot be expressed in an objective unit of currency, the accounting system completely ignores it. By drawing absolute boundaries around what constitutes the business and what is countable, GAAP creates a sterile environment for true financial analysis. With those boundaries set, the system runs on the dual aspect concept. It functions like Newton's third law of business. Every single financial action has a simultaneous twofold effect. For example, if a business spends $30,000 cash on a new machine, one asset, equipment, goes up, while another, cash, goes down. This mandatory balancing act forms the bedrock of the double entry system, requiring two accounts updated for every event. This logic engine operates as an automated error checking mechanism, making it mathematically impossible for money to simply appear or disappear without a trace. But why doesn't a business record a catastrophic loss on paper the exact day it purchases a $50,000 computer server? This is handled by the going concern concept. The operating system assumes the business will live indefinitely, allowing massive costs to be spread safely across an asset's usable lifespan. This chart compares the two primary ways to track money. The top timeline shows the cash basis, counting money only when it touches your hand. The bottom shows the accrual basis, where money is tracked when the work is actually performed. The accrual basis enables the matching principle. This is the rule that expenses must be recorded in the exact same time period as the revenue they help generate. By adjusting how time and money interact, GAAP prevents temporary cash flow delays from masking the true long-term health and profitability of a company. The accounting operating system is also programmed to be pessimistic through a concept called conservatism. This creates an intentional asymmetry. Potential unverified losses must be recorded immediately to prepare for the worst, but potential gains are strictly ignored until they actually happen. The final firewall is the objectivity concept. This dictates that personal feelings are irrelevant, and every single transaction must be proven by a verifiable document or receipt. This engineered pessimism and demand for hard proof acts as a defensive shield, protecting external investors from overly optimistic founders and hidden financial rot. These individual protocols, entity, dual aspect, accrual, and conservatism, lock together with the rules of full disclosure and consistency to form a complete, impenetrable web. This web creates a standardized language of commerce, allowing a complex business in Tokyo to be understood by a retail investor in New York. When you check a stock ticker or an earnings report, you are seeing human reality filtered through a bulletproof system that keeps global commerce from collapsing into fiction. To see more of the hidden systems that run our world, subscribe and join us for the next deep dive.